Okay, this will be an exceptionally short message today. Essentially, I wanted to have the midterms back today, but that's not going to happen. I've still got a few students who are taking that over in the Student Success Center. And so I can't really give it back until I have all the exams taken. I do have them mostly graded. Your scores will show up on the course site shortly. But basically what we're going to do today, just quickly, midterms, those of you that have completed them, I've graded them. I will return them next class and I'll go over them. I'll also spend some time going over any of the questions you have about the labs, maybe solving some of the labs so everybody's kind of caught up to speed and on the same page. And we're going to do that in a face-to-face meeting in the classroom. So look for that next week. One other thing that I wanted to mention quickly is after the midterm, after we go over that, we're going to dig into some new content and we're going to start doing some really cool stuff with the games we make. So far, the last game we had one moving object, one object that would move around on the screen. We would also have like a score and stuff like that. So we had an objective. But what we're going to move towards is allowing the objects in the game to move at any direction and any speed rather than how we're doing now with left, right, up, and down. And we're also going to look at how do I deal with a lot of objects. So, for example, maybe have a dozen bullets flying around and hundreds of enemies moving around on the screen at the same time and different treasures that you have to pick up. How do we handle something like that? And we're going to look at some ways of dealing with that larger number of items moving around any way that you want them to. And that's going to end up allowing us to do some really cool stuff by the end of the semester. So that's what we're going to do after we go over the midterm. But right now, tonight, you have the day, the night off. It's pretty nice outside. So get out and enjoy that and enjoy the extra time. Maybe use that to play around, work on your programs, or work on stuff for other classes. But next week, we'll go over the midterm, and then we're going to start digging into some new material the class after that. So that's it for today. Everybody stay safe, and I will see you next class in person. That's it.